Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dean. Make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment down below. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So today is part 2 of me creating my nail room slash office. So the first thing we're doing is hanging up this beautiful painting from Oliver, and I got this from Home Goods for 25 I think 24.99, and she was so freaking pretty. I had to pick her up. It had all the colors that I've been looking for. So the first thing I do is obviously measure where I want it to be. Listen, math and measuring is not my thing.
Okay, I got one. Can't be that hard, right? Listen, if it's crooked, I try. They sound like a little bit weird. I don't know. Why are they kind of weird?
Oh no. I think I did something. You know? She a little crooked, but listen. She's cute, okay? She a little crooked. Don't mind the curtain. She a little crooked, but you know, we can do it, ladies. We can do it. Right, you guys, so all these clips are from different times throughout the year, so you'll see different outfits and clothes and hair and everything. But anyway, here I am taking an Ikea furniture piece. I can't remember the name of this, but I will link it down below. So basically what I did was build this, put it together, and then I decided to add some legs to it because after I finished putting it together, I realized that it was a little bit too low and I didn't like how low it was. So what I did was I went to Amazon and I picked out some legs to attach to the bottom of this little console, and that's a tip that you guys could do with any type of furniture, actually, especially with IKEA furniture. You could paint it, you could add accessories to make it just the way you want it to look. And it could also save you a little bit of coins instead of spending a lot of money in these custom pieces. Just get more affordable pieces and add your spin to it. All right, you guys, here I am updating another IKEA piece. I got this dresser or drawer, I should say, from IKEA. I will link it down below. And I'm taking my pink drill and this long thing, I don't even know what it's called, a bit, I guess, I don't know. And I'm using my drill, and what I do is I take a piece of tape and then I'm going to measure it to make sure I find the middle of the drawer, and then I'm going to use my drill to basically drill a hole, and this hole is going to allow me to take the knob. And I got the knob from Home Goods. It was a pack of 6 for I think about $8. So you put the little screw that comes with the knob, and then you screw it nice and tight, and it came out so freaking cute, you guys. Another perfect way of how to upgrade any type of furniture. All right, here I'm just moving stuff out the way so I can start prepping for wallpaper, you guys. I decided to do wallpaper instead of painting because I thought it was less messy, and paint and I don't really go together. So I was like, you know what, let's try peel and stick wallpaper. I'm removing my Pen and Pretty sign, and the wallpaper that I'm using is from Target. It's their white wash brick pattern, and I think it was about $34.99, about $35, $35 or $36. I actually ended up using 3 of these rolls to complete the whole entire wall. I literally just took my time. I used my laser. You can see the red lines to kind of line up the panels to make sure they were straight. And then I used an X-Acto knife to cut around the edges and any basically any type of outlets. And I just literally just took my time, you guys. I've never done wallpaper, and I'm so proud of myself because I stepped outside my comfort zone. If you have to look at some videos or ask for help, go right ahead. But I did this all on my own. I think it was like a Friday night. I turned on some music and I just went at it, and I took my time, and I really enjoyed the process. That now I want to go back and get more wallpapers and do other areas of the home because it was just so cute. Yeah, and the next clip is basically a little dance break because the DJ was on it that night. All right, you guys, so this is the next day. I went back and picked up some more wallpaper to finish the wall, I think. Yeah. I just didn't record the whole process because it's pretty much repetitive. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, this is part 2. The next video is probably going to be the full room tour and reveal, where I'll be showing you everything at once. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.
You tryna do? Cause you think you wanna feel all up on me, yeah. And you know I wanna feel all up on him too. So you know we gonna do all of that times 2. Just say the word, count down like 3.